She's a certified electrician now.
I'm not, but I got the job done.
What's up, guys? Down here in Jen's basement doing some wiring, and I just wanted to show you a few hack things we're getting rid of. Let's start at the panel. This panel, I don't see a dedicated bus bar for the ground at all. I just see the grounds and neutrals are all together, so I'm going to have to do some research on getting those separated or what I have to do there. But I want to show you a few things. Now, a lot of the wires coming into this, they would just take the ground and splice it onto these, running around these two screws here on the Romex connector where it went into the box. And then whenever there was a fault in the circuit, you could see those burn marks on the Romex connector. The ground would have to travel through this casing, and that's pretty dangerous. So I don't know, I guess they used to wire things up that way, but I never seen it done like that. And originally she just wanted me to run some new circuits in the kitchen and stuff, but I'm like, I can't work like this. I gotta get rid of all this old wiring first, because you can see even over here, there was wiring buried inside the wall here, and the box completely rusted out. And this was actually a live circuit exiting outside where it was just sitting out there. So kind of just going through the process now of pulling all this stuff out of here. The circuit I'm going to take out right now, I just shut off, but check out some of the wires on this thing. I mean, like, the neutral is just ready to fall off of that screw right there. And as you go up, there are just so many open splices on this. Let me see if I can find you a couple. Like, all right, right here. Boom. I mean, that's not a complete open splice, but this is like, what's going on here? And all this stuff is really just a fire hazard. Right here, I mean, come on. We're sitting right next to each other. This is such a fire hazard, having this all just hanging around like this. So we're going to start by, luckily, getting rid of all this. Anyway, I better get back to work before I get hollered at, since I shouldn't be taking video breaks, but just wanted to get some video footage of all this before we rip the old wiring out. Here's a pile of some of the stuff we ripped out today. You can see mounting those steel boxes on a basement wall. They just really rust through over time. And I mean, this had the armor cable on there too, and that had rusted through too. Got this old Wadsworth breaker or shut-off box too. So really nice to get rid of this old stuff and get some nice clean wiring in here. That frozen concoction that helps me hang on. Hang on.
How did this happen?
I have no idea, but I feel like there's a lot more slack than there needs to be.
Oh my god.
Here's just a quick glance at some of the wiring we did. Ran the oven wires, and we used stackers throughout, so all the wiring is exposed. I'm sure that's not completely up to code, since it's a basement, so it's not living space. But got everything, nice, clean, and tight. And I mean, I had the wires running diagonally through all these before, so we tried to keep everything. Sorry about the lack of lighting down here, but we tried to keep everything in the stackers along the perimeter. And Jen, was very. She was really eager to learn all this stuff, and we did it all neat. And then, so she has decided she's gonna tackle wiring some more circuits herself when I go on a trip here. So we'll see how that works out. All right, when I was gone, Jen decided to install some outlets and wiring herself. So let's take a look at her work. This looks pretty nice over here. This one looks pretty tight too. And then, what'd you say? You piggybacked it over to this one too? And
Well, while I had the wall open, I put an outlet going up for the TV in the other room.
Nice. Good stuff.
And then this one goes over to the bathroom, which there was no outlet in here.
To this one?
Yes.
Sweet. Got the GFCI on there. Which side's that wired on?
On the line.
On the line side. Good.
So it starts up there. One
You
goes to the box.
drilled this? Or just widened it?
Yeah, and this broke in the process.
Oh.
So it got messy.
Yeah, the drill bit broke.
All these loose wires aren't my doing. They're just...
Okay, these are the new ones you're in. So you put all these stackers in. Very nice. Love it. Super clean.
And then around to here.
Oh, yeah. Look at your work.
And this is also...
This is tight, babe. I love it.
And I accidentally drilled through my floor there, which I can fix later.
That's alright. Looks good.
Thanks.
Lovely.
This is the old wiring that I pulled out. Do you want it for scrap?
I
was gonna throw it away.
I mean, it is worth something, but yeah. You should keep it. Scrap it.
So, I spent days and days running Romex through walls and pulling out old wires. And now it's the moment of truth. We're gonna hook it up under Chris's supervision, but I want to do it so that I can say I did the whole thing myself. I got my lines.
What do you got?
My pliers, strippers, screwdriver, wire clamps. But I'm hoping that everything works and I did everything right.
Hey, we'll get these hooked up to the panel then.
Should I cut it before or after I put it in?
After.
Is that tight enough?
As long as you can't pull it through, you don't want to be like squeezing it super hard. No, you want to go a little bit more. You want to give it a pull test. You should be able to slide it. Alright, you got those all hooked up. Moment of truth. Fire the breakers up. See if they pop. See if you got them wired up right. Here you go. Okay. Beautiful. Let's go try them out.
It's stiff.
Yay!
I'm so happy. Look at it!
Oh, it's tripped. You gotta, that'll tell you if it works or not. Boom. Nice. You got it wired right. And Jen's going to show us the outlets in her beautiful kitchen that she planned and put together all herself. Look at this place. It's phenomenal. So how many outlets did we do up here? We did
1, 2, 3, and 4.
And 4 right behind the trash can. Oh, 1 behind the fridge, right?
Oh, yeah,
we did too.
5.
Yeah. So, but look at this kitchen. You did such an amazing job in here. I got a couple before clips I can throw in here real quick, so she can remember what this place looks like. Original windows. This kitchen is something else. It's not really a great layout.
You helped me and taught me how to do these outlets in the kitchen, and then I did 7 more myself.
Yes, which is
not
awesome.
Just replacing an outlet, running Romex and tearing out old Romex.
She's a certified electrician now.
I'm not, but I got the job done.
Tell us one thing you learned about electrical or wiring.
Turn the circuit breaker off.
And loose wires cause fires. Also, black to brass or kiss your ass. I think it goes something like that.